This is a story about the Barnibus and the lost parrot. Hi, I'm Barnibus. I love apples. But one day, when I was eating my apple, I noticed something peculiar. Hello! Mommy! And it was a parrot in my apple tree that thought I was his mother. And I have way too much things on my plate to be a mom. But I couldn't just leave the poor guy. I had to figure out a way to help him. Hop onto my back. We'll find your mama. Looks like your mom isn't in yoga class. Doesn't look like she's around the neighborhood. Doesn't look like she's at work either. But sometimes you forget the most obvious places to look at. The zoo! Thanks for watching.